Are you planning to apply for a marriage in Germany visa? This video presents a step-by-step guide for this visa application. Let's learn more about it. Hi, this is Crystal. Welcome to my channel. Here, you will learn the 6 detailed steps you can follow, the other documents you can submit, and a timeline for the visa application process. What is a marriage in Germany visa? This visa is necessary if you plan to marry a German citizen in Germany. It is valid for 90 days, and if the wedding does not take place within this period, the visa holder must return to their home country. Upon arrival in Germany, after preparing for the wedding and getting married within 90 days, it is very important to immediately schedule an appointment to obtain a residence certificate and a residence permit card. The first step is to visit the website of the German Embassy in Manila for the latest requirements. What do you think are the documents necessary for your application? Here's the second step. Prepare the required documents. The documents that are required from you are: first is your valid passport, issued by DFA or Department of Foreign Affairs. Second is 2 biometrical passport photos. To ensure the right cut, have a professional made it for you. Just visit a photo printing shop and select a German visa photo package. Third is your birth certificate. It should be issued by the PSA or Philippine Statistics Authority. Fourth is an A1 certificate that is not older than 1 year. It is issued by an ALTE certified language school like Goethe Institute in Manila. Fifth is a proof of a travel health insurance that covers at least 90 days starting from the date of your travel. Sixth is visa fee of €75, which is payable in Philippine peso. In my case, I was asked to pay only the exact amount. First, I submitted only the documents along with the 5,000 peso bill. Fortunately, I had few coins and peso bill with me, so there was only a bit delay during my appointment. Seventh is 1 printout of your duly filled and signed visa application form. Here are the documents that are not on the website but may still be required during your visa application process. Proof of relationship. Photos of you together with your fiancé or his family, or photos of your fiancé together with your family, his flight tickets, or exchange of messages. Last is Senomar, which is valid for 6 months. Here's the overview of the necessary documents required from you. Next, let's check the necessary documents required from your fiancé. First is the Form 11/121. It is a certificate that allows you and your fiancé to marry in Germany. Second is a copy of your fiancé's identity card, if German, or a copy of your fiancé's passport, plus current certificate of residence, if not German but European national. Third is a copy of your fiancé's passport and residence permit card, if not a European national. Fourth is a certificate of formal declaration of obligation issued by the immigration office in Germany. Here are the additional documents that are not on the website but may still be required to process your visa application. Fifth is an informal invitation letter of your fiancé in Germany. Lastly, you can also submit your fiancé's birth certificate or singleness certificate if available. In my case, only the informal invitation letter was added to my requirements. Here is the overview of the necessary documents required from you and your fiancé. Please note that PSA certificates should be issued in security paper by the Philippine Statistics Authority. For more information, you can visit PSA Helpline or PSA Servilis. If your birth certificate is unreadable, you can include a birth certificate from the local civil registrar. PSA documents do not require authentication by DFA. Foreign documents issued outside the Philippines or Germany must be legalized or have an apostille. Documents not in German or English must be translated by a certified translator. Here's the link of the website where you can find the list of certified translators approved by German Embassy. Incomplete applications will be evaluated based on the submitted documents and may be rejected. German Embassy may request additional documents and may conduct document verification, especially for late registration of birth cases. Once you have gathered all the required documents, prepare them in 2 sets. The first set is the original documents, and the second set is 1 copy of each original in paper format A4. You can use paper clips to organize the documents. Before the scheduled interview, make sure that the requirements in each set are arranged in the order specified on the website of the German Embassy. Start arranging each set of documents from the first to the last one. The third step is about visa appointment. Book an appointment request online at the website of the German Embassy in Manila once you have obtained all the required documents. In the Marriage in Germany section, following the list of requirements, you will find this part. Simply click on the word Here and it will take you to this page for booking your appointment. Expect to wait several days or possibly weeks to receive an email confirming your appointment, which may occur a few weeks or months after your scheduled date. The fourth step is about the visa interview. You have to submit your application personally at the German Embassy in Manila. Here's the reminders before and during your visa interview. Get a restful night's sleep before your interview. Organize your documents, bag, and attire ahead of time. Begin your day with a positive attitude. Dress appropriately and ensure you look neat. Don't forget to bring extra cash like few coins and few hundreds for the visa fee. Bring an additional form of ID for security pass. It is better to arrive at least 30 minutes for your appointment. Stay composed throughout your interview. Expect that your interview may last up to 30 minutes. If everything proceeds without issues, you will have to submit biometrics, leave your passport, and pay the delivery fee for the final visa processing. The fifth step is about the visa sticker. Please note that the visa processing may take 1 to 3 months to complete. Once your application is approved and completed, you will receive an email confirmation. Expect within 1 to 2 days, if you have chosen delivery over pickup, to receive your original documents, including your passport with a visa sticker. Your visa number is required to book an online appointment with CFO. Once you have received the visa, visit the website of CFO or the Commission on Filipino Overseas to check if you need to attend a pre-departure seminar. Since your purpose of travel is marriage in Germany, a digital CFO certificate is required to present to the immigration office at the airport. And here's the last step. Once you have obtained the visa and the digital CFO certificate, schedule your one-way flight for a date that aligns with the validity of your visa. Avoid booking your flight ahead of time if you have not acquired these two documents yet. Some airlines offer baggage allowance of 23 kilograms and 8 kilograms along with complimentary meals during the flight. Be mindful not to exceed the baggage limit for both hand luggage and checked baggage. If this is your first time traveling abroad, consider asking your partner to handle flight bookings, as they may have an established travel account with international airlines. Booking closer to your travel date typically incurs higher prices, so plan accordingly. Ensure you have sufficient layover time, as many airports have large terminals. Dress comfortably for the journey, including wearing pants and comfortable shoes, and consider bringing a jacket. Arrive at the airport at least 4 hours before your international flight to allow for check-in and security procedures. If you have a short layover, inquire with the check-in staff about having your luggage sent directly to your final destination. Aim to be at the boarding area at least 30 minutes before your flight departs. Please pay attention to airport signs such as immigration counter, transfer area, or departure area. Have a safe trip! Here's the summary of the steps on how to apply marriage in Germany visa application. Here is the summary of the requirements for your visa application. Here is the summary of the waiting time in days as of year 2023 to 2024. Please note that the projected waiting time is based on my research and the actual waiting time is based on my experience. I hope that this video helps you. For more videos, you can visit my channel. Thank you for watching this video. To support us, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you! Tschüss!